Tailscale versus Twingate, which one is better? Now, choosing the right zero trust networking tool can be tough. So today we'll comparing two popular options, which is Tailscale and Twingate. Which one is the better for your needs? Let's find out. Now, let's go ahead and talk about Tailscale. Tailscale is built on WireGuard, making it lightweight, fast, and easy to set up. It's great for small team or developers who want to create secure peer-to-peer connections without needing a VPN server. Plus, it's highly user-friendly with strong multi-platform support. Now, Twingate takes a more enterprise-focused approach. It emphasizes granular access control, robust analytics, and seamless integration with identity providers like Okta and Azure AD. It's ideal for organizations prioritizing scalability and detailed policy management. Now, the key differences for both platforms are their ease of use. Tailscale wins for simplicity, while Twingate offers more complexity and customizable for larger setups. Now, for security features, both are secure, but Twingate's zero trust access model adds an extra layer of control. Now, let's talk about cost. Tailscale is often more affordable for smaller teams, whereas Tailgate pricing reflects its enterprise-grade capabilities. Now, in conclusion, for small team or developers, Tailscale is an excellent choice for its simplicity. If you're managing a large organization with strict access requirements, Twingate might be the better option. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.